All right, say Ike, good morning.
Good morning. Many are say.
Oh, yes, for doing me now, sir.
I don't know. Shall be our platform issue. You know, now, I say, an account no obi a hack, obi bay. Onya kuno nidi. You also when you say account there, and then obi hack ya. Onya kuno nidi baba. If you nidi
what I'm
ama.
saying. The hacker's information and his footprint will be there for you to know. Say, if they're hacking way free, maybe a Russia.
It's baby ama no say a hack keke.
Ane.
On fa no girls na on the yama won. Obi sa won. And the American no. Now
so-called Operation Blue Water Project or whatever name I on their man. The end result. Sika a beef won't be now. Won't say one a New government.
Dr. Kwata, good morning.
Morning, mini abema aboko.
Please talk. I forgot to connect my receiver so that I can hear your sound.
Okay,
so
okay.
Talk, people will listen to you. Let me quickly connect mine.
Okay, yeah. Any your platform you so. Me obi biara chi. Emma depending upon baby obia ATA and free. I'll first talk about this current government. Or see what doing about fight against Galamsey as the host in the kind. The current government has no effective plans.
I can hear you now.
Me patch you. But me tell me voice you.
Oh, okay, I know why. So sorry. I'll change the connection.
Okay. Yeah. The current government has no effective plans to fight against Galamsey. Adebakwa Enwanwaye, so-called neutral people are Tamana President Nanado Etisono. 1 year demo. We had a whole professor, Ochadio University of Ghana, Professor Jampu, or you see a year union and now Odano at the fight against the then government. We had a year Labor Commission. Only now young agency one babeko demo against then government on the issue of Galamsey. A man for a broken street. We had a lot of people talking about the activities of Galamsey during NPP Abreso. Especially
I hope you can hear me now.
Yes.
And you can't hear yourself?
No.
All right.
Good. Yeah, getting to election time or no. Nipa be sorry against Galamsey. Ene yenhwe ne ekoso ewo Ghana. Nanado ni nimdi no de ne election eto ho ema Galamsey. Ama ekoste eye NPP 2016 and then even 2024. 2020 election. Osha, most of the mining sectors, NPP LUC election, basa. Even 2024, they're not any cry. Because during that time, we had NDC for a promise a year on why a 2 Galamsey, and it's 1 bar, 1 bema 1 year then, a 2. Meaning, I think last 2 weeks or last week, I saw a video where a constituency chairman of NDC was fighting against military men.
Yeah.
All just because Osina buying ahead and then the military men should have informed him before one call a site war.
Exactly.
Until then it says there's going to be a fight against Galamsey. Send your kind on ya phone on say a blue water then project.
Yeah.
Now what at all are they going to do?
Safeguard the water bodies.
How? That is the question. How? Are they going to be watchdogs or watchmen to watch the water bodies? So I am now on the policies and that's on the BB bar. Sabita Fache, some of us are yet you are you have to give us detailed information on whatever policy our person or they back. So if you have the military men, you have the navy, you have the police, you have all the security apparatus in our one. Now say to me you still want to fight against Galamsey. However, you just formed a task force called Brew Water Project. Now who train you on? For how long are you going to train them? And then what
less than a month?
Less than a month. And then what at all are they going to do? This is termed as job for the boys. The promises now on make here, and then on by and so on sack on my phone with Jumum until now they have to get job for their own people. Now one babe chon the mining centers, you know. Even if military men want to me and you swear. Now then me share video on why won't train you on here, you know. Now I am say, a beam finny, a be age ni be a year. Hey, now them in kwa met me a family and so and I know. But
Yes, you.
in the Galamsey fight in India unless we take politics out of it. Now, uni mini Adiba Canada me fe Tama Trump started use trade war against Canada. We had the opposition leader at that time. Now he's the prime minister. And then we had even a former prime minister for over 20 years ago. All these prime ministers came together and then they told Trump, look, we are not afraid of you. Canada is Canada. We are going to stand. We are going to fight. You have called for this war, this trade war, and then we are going to give it to you. But what did we see in our country, Ghana? During 2024 election, when President of the Republic of Ghana, then Nana Addo, a year campaign, one promise of fighting against Galamsey. We had the opposition leader, who is now the president of Ghana now, campaigning for Galamsey, using Galamsey as a campaign message. And then the same person is saying, Obabe fighting against Galamsey. It's just a joke. It's just creating job for the people. But however, by the end of this year, now if this their so-called Operation Brew Water Project or whatever name are on their man, the end result. Sika won't be now won't say won't a use lean government. By sika won't use sika be fa hon ma be ko amanfo botomu no enye sika ketwa. And then the other one, you made mention of a president account being hacked.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me who some of the posts in any way ni be. Okay. And on the mean to me and can was him here.
I was liking me.
Because if say the 78 million communication, there's a difference between communication director and minister for information.
Yeah.
So communication kwampo budget everything the Ministry of Health. Now say a year with this budget to the communication. Now say communication account are here. Then I wonder what they are going to use the money for. The type of technology and the type of on this can be I know they want to what can say a queen be her, but okay, you made that senior. Now, I said that a pedana budget in here and said that in pensem more.
Yeah, start to but I'll keep you updated. Yeah, starting so that you.
Anyway, and send my busy currency. I was not available now.
I understand.
Yeah, okay.
Yo, thank you very much, Doc.
Soldier for the process for to be fighting Galamsey. na sa job for the boys we no one then you want to bet my say timenya etro pa de babe gina Galamsey site yes na so what you want aka tell sojani antimi am fight it we na all the 1 week e between ni won one ekwa na say voice me say unya enroll me wie na no because we dia ba payroll so it because da yes 30 days now my budget me pay you then I make oye try na soldier phone to me na me fa me Hong Kong kodi and there be oboa say communication hono no fiscal ode akọ hono no pay you bia na me ya say show voice teacher ni hardly say teacher ni benya teacher for him nya take home even 3,000 di coffee ebi ni home communicators you ebeje 5,000 for 4 good years I won't hear you one better now. I was a cotam color with my dog baby show my back and say, one I cocobo is so home brand. Now we are down what they know. So then you know you do over 10 years. I don't know what's serious or no one to me. What's up now? I'm a coffee guano and I'm saying, on you say, Yadu Susana. I'm a president in the man, you know, and I don't know no, I'm a president against her. Thank you for you, pa. Misuma Ghana na misuma no one dey me you on film Ghana na misuma ye because Eden pa Ghana Eden I'm a swallow there asemi eti na me person na me who say na former IGP na onimu ana say yo honu mom na no nim bibi wo ho ntina obedu ya de chi ya watimi arrest isa no
former IGP me sure say no him esan say from the report we saw no. Yes, see that very guy, no. The police has been aware of him. Just say, "Banam person coaching no, Ojuani ko UK." And tiafe na wasamba Ghana ya coaching no barbing shop.
It just no one de no ho ba and just no say 8 years konti. Ono de no ho ba and I ask no. Okay. And yeah, me near ho answer waka. It union no be into aso.
That's it, say, thank you so much.